Yeah.
ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់យើងតពីយើងទៅពីការត្រេតនឹងការងារមកឥឡូវយើងចូលមើលការថែបាល់ម្ដងចិត្តតែមើលលេងបាទចិត្តតែត្រេះទៅអត់ចុះលេងមើលគេថាគេណាគេថាគេអាជីពណាហើយដាក់ play មើលឲ្យស៊ីជាមួយការលេងរបស់យើងចឹងណា
Never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
អូខេវីដេអូហ្នឹងមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលចំណាយពេលប្រយោជន៍មើលវីដេអូនេះអរគុណ